Imagine creating unlimited AI videos with Veo 3.1 and Kling AI without spending a single dollar. Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how.
So guys, for you to get started, all you need to do is to go to Google and search for Adobe Firefly AI. Adobe Firefly AI. Please take note of the spellings and the logo. So once you search for Adobe Firefly AI, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now this is where you need to pay attention to the logo, okay? Because there's a lot of this Adobe Firefly on the internet and you can only use the logo to differentiate it. If not, you're not going to get what you're looking for. So if you can see the first one here. This one is having an F1 logo. You can see the next one here is having something like an A logo. If you still keep scrolling down, you're going to see another Adobe. You're going to see another Adobe Firefly. Now the question is, which one is the real Adobe we're looking for? And the real Adobe you're looking for has an FI logo. You can see this is the FI logo here. This is the one we're looking for right here. Please take note of the logo. Okay, so once you see it, all you need to do is just click on it and it's going to lead you directly to the website where you're going to see amazing interface you can actually work with. You can create your images, create your videos and everything using Google Veo, totally free of charge, guys. Okay, so once you come to the website, this is what the interface looks like. If you look above here, you can see where they say sign in. So the first thing you need to do first of all is to click on sign in. Okay, Adobe Firefly, create for free daily when you sign up. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this interface where you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or you can continue with your email. At this point, there's a way you can actually access a paid website without paying a single dime, and that is why I say it is unlimited. This is where I'm going to be explaining this unlimited of a thing. Every free AI tool has a payment platform, or it has a payment package. When you say a platform is actually free and unlimited, it means that there's actually a way you can actually use it without paying a single dime. And the honest way you can literally use most of this app without paying a single dime is when you work with your email. If you work with your email, first of all, that's the first way. So I need you to pay attention to this part, okay? You can generate unlimited emails online, temporary emails for that matter, okay? If you want me to teach you how you can generate temporary emails that you can use to sign into any AI tool, and once you are done with the credits you have on a particular AI tool, you can sign into another AI tool. Once you are done, you can sign into another one with another email on the same AI tool. Let's assume a free AI tool is giving you 50 credits for free, and once the 50 credits is done, you're not able to do anything again. You can actually go to the same website again and sign in with another email, a temporary email you can create online, and you can actually use it to sign into the email and continue your work. And this is how people literally create videos unlimitedly. If you want me to teach you that, you can drop at the comment section. Okay, now another way you can actually continue your work is to have more than 2-3 emails. That's if you want to continue with Google, have more than 2-3 emails, so that once you're done with this email, you can switch to another email. This is how people create unlimited AI videos without paying a single dime. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to continue with Google. If you want me to teach you how you can generate emails, you can drop at the comment section. So I'm just going to click on continue with Google. So once you click on continue with Google, if that's what you want to go for, it's going to bring you to an interface where you can choose the email you want. So I'm just going to be choosing one email here. Okay, and then it will bring you to where you can click on continue. Okay, and it's going to land you to an interface like this that says date of birth, select your date of birth, and guys, it's going to bring you to this interface that says create anything. Now if you look down here, you're going to see you can generate images on this website. You can create video from an image, you can expand image, you can generate view, a lot of things you can basically do on this website, guys. Okay, so you can see trending image, video. These are things that people have actually done on this website. Okay, one thing about this website is actually beginner friendly. So if you click on these three horizontal lines here, you're going to be welcome to this interface where you're going to see home, image, video, audio, discover. Okay, if you tap on image, that's if you want to generate an image, it's going to bring you to this interface where you can generate your image, you can edit your image, you can upscale your image, you can remove objects, you can expand background. Okay, then if you click on video, you can generate video, prompts to edit clip, edit video, translate video, generate effects. Okay, so let's quickly what should we do? So let me go to ChatGPT so we can do something. I have some prompts in ChatGPT right here. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let me see what I can. Let me see. Pixel style Nigerian astronaut standing on Mars, giant expressive eyes, waving Nigerian flag, futuristic. Okay, let me create this image prompt. Okay, we are using the image. We're trying to create an image right now. After that, we're going to make the image to talk. Okay, click on generate image, and it's going to land you to this interface. Start generating images, describe the image you want to generate, and then look down here. You're going to see the prompt box, input your prompts. Okay, now you can see the models. Click on Fi to see the model. These are the various models they have. Firefly image 5. Okay, you can choose any one you want. I'll just leave it at Firefly image 5. Click on aspect ratio to select your aspect ratio. I'm going to leave it at 16:9 because this is going to be a YouTube tutorial. And if you want to do for a short, you choose 16:9. I'll leave it at 16:9. Click on resolution. Okay, leave it at 2K. Okay, now this is image. This is for reference purposes. Had it been you have an image you want to reference, you can click on image and then it will lead you to your gallery. Okay, so but since we want to create our image from scratch, I'm just going to leave it at that. After that, you click on this place right here, and then it is beginning to generate our image for us. So let's just wait and see what it can get for us. Okay guys, our image is ready and this is so beautiful. So just long press on it and then click on download. So I'm basically downloading my image right now. We are going to go back. We're going to go back and then click on these three horizontal lines again. So it will take us to the image video section. Click on video and then click on generate video. Okay, while this is opening, I'll go over to ChatGPT and get our image prompt. So this is actually a very short sentence, but I'm going to be inputting my own so that it's going to be a little bit longer. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this interface. So I'm just going to input my prompt. It says to get better generated content, turn on prompt enhancement whenever you finish writing a prompt. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this dialog, whatever. Okay, astronaut says now here we land. Friend says yes, so na Nigeria be Nigeria be this. Then okay, so I've just inputted my prompt. Click on frames, first frame, go to your device. Okay, this is going to lead you to where you can select the image you want to use. Okay, click on general and then click on resolution. Sorry, click on aspect ratio. You're supposed to actually select all these settings before you go to your gallery. I'll leave 16:9. Okay. Okay. So immediately I clicked on this T right here. It actually enhanced my prompt. Okay. Then I'll click on frames again. Okay. Immediately I clicked on frames. You actually selected the right frame. Okay, so just click on this place. Selected resolution, aspect ratio, and then I'll click on this place for our video to start generating. So our video is generating. So guys, our video is ready. So let's play it and see. I actually forgot to show us the aspect ratio. If you click on general here, you're going to see Adobe models and then you're going to see partner models. Okay. These Adobe models is actually what I used. I forgot because I forgot to choose the aspect ratio. So if you click on partner models, you're going to see all the models available. You can see Veo 3.1. This one is paid. Veo 3.1 is paid, but Veo 3.1 fast is free. This is why I actually came to make this video. You can use Veo 3.1 fast free. You can use Kling 3.1 free, but Kling 3.0 Omni is not free. All these ones that has King, all this King logo on them, they are not free. Okay, you can use Veo 3.1 fast free, and then you can use Kling 3.0 free. Okay, these are the models that are available on this website. Okay, so our video did not have audio. You can see I actually forgot to toggle on the audio, so that's why the thing is not having audio. So when you're creating your own, don't forget to toggle on audio. Okay, so we've been able to create images here and videos. Okay, so once you are done, just click on download to download it. I've actually downloaded it before. Okay, just download it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.